Hello my dear students, writing skills for class 12th. Today the topic is advertisements. There are two types of advertisements, classified and display. A kind of public announcement. An advertisement is a kind of public announcement which asks for or which offers services. It is used for buying or selling. It can be a property, goods, or it can be giving information about missing person, pets, etc. It is made through some popular medium like television, like newspapers, and the target of this advertisement is a large number of people. Newspapers, magazines, TV, radio, cinema, leaflet, pamphlets, all are used for such purposes. And there is a specialty of this advertisement. Their content should be always brief, limited words should be used, and the sentences not necessarily grammatically correct. Here we have samples, two samples you can see on the screen. One is for classified ad and the other is classified display ad. Classified ad is economical because charges are paid for that, and it is in simple running text. At the same time, classified display ad, it is more visible. It uses images, and these are the different topics on which classified advertisement can be made. I have examples. You can see the question at the bottom. Required one accountant for a renowned firm. So it will start like this. Situation vacant will be the type of category of this advertisement. Then first line, required, then the post, qualification, name of the organization, payment, mode of application, and at the end you can find the address through which you can contact. Similarly for sale also, category, first line, then type of property, then brief description, and at the end contact details. Same way to let, heading, details, location, terms if there is any, and at the end contact details. Same way for missing girl, name, age, complexion, means all the information related to the particular person. Then if there is a photograph, it will be good, clothes, date, place, and contact details. Same way lost is heading, then what is lost, item detail, and at the end contact details. For Char Dham Yatra, you can find there is one heading, tours and travels private limited, then cost, duration, destination, and at the end contact details. Similarly, bride wanted, heading, preferences, personal details, and at last contact details. Obituary, in loving memory of, and the photograph if available, the name of the deceased, message for the family, name of the persons giving advertisement. Appeal for identification, appeal for donation or courses available, change of address. And now comes commercial, that is also called as display ad. Like here there is a display ad for drama show. Again in the beginning you have to write down the name or logo of the institution, address, any special offers. Then we have 4 advertisements here. for things, fair and tourism. Number 1, Sparkle toothpaste. Number 2, education fair. Number 3, Ganesh Chaturthi offer, and then 6 days holidays back. There is one more commercial ad that is for designing a fair. Design fair, entry fees, date and all the details. Then admissions, and here you have some questions for practice. So I hope you will practice it, and all these questions you'll do in your notebook. Thank you.